In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix portfolio in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or any creative professional looking to showcase your work beautifully online, a Wix portfolio can be a fantastic way to make a strong impression. Let's get you started on crafting a stunning online presence easily. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Wix is a popular website builder that's quite user-friendly, even if you're new to website creation. Once you're there, keep an eye out for a button labeled Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. This is where you begin your journey to creating a personalized portfolio. Once you click that button, you'll be prompted to select a method for signing up. You can choose to use your email address, or, if you prefer, you can connect via your Facebook or Google account. Each of these options serves the same purpose, allowing you to seamlessly access Wix's platform. Choose whichever option feels most convenient for you, and you'll be on your way. Now, with your account set up, it's time to create your new site. Look for the option that says Create New Site and give it a click. This is an exciting step as it puts you one step closer to building your unique portfolio. Next comes the fun part. Choosing your template. Once you're in the site creation interface, you'll notice an option labeled Pick a Template. Templates are essentially pre-designed layouts that provide a starting point for your site. They eliminate the need to start from scratch, giving you a head start with design and layout. When you click on this, you'll be presented with a variety of templates specifically designed for portfolios. Take a moment to browse through the list of portfolio templates available. Wix offers an array of styles, so you're bound to find something that aligns with your taste and professional needs. Consider the vibe and structure that best reflects your work and personal brand. Once you've made your selection, click on it to start customizing. After selecting your template, you can now personalize it to make it truly yours. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes this process a breeze. Whether it's uploading your images, adjusting the text, or rearranging sections, you can mold the template to suit your vision. As you customize, make use of the preview feature to see how your site will look before it goes live. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to hit that Publish button. Publishing your site will make it accessible to the world, ready to showcase your work to prospective clients, employers, or anyone interested in your craft. And there you have it, your very own professional Wix portfolio, created in just 5 minutes.